Hi everyone, I'm Atreus and I'm a composer for video games. In this project I worked on a simple 2D game developed in Unity by an indie game developer with the goal of improving my skills in adaptive audio implementation. You can find all the details about the game developer in the description below. I started with the creative phase, composing the music in Cubase. Based on the overall vibe of the game, I aimed for a sound that felt both creepy and playful, so it wouldn't be too serious or heavy. I structured the track with an intro section that plays at the beginning of the game, followed by a looping section enriched with random elements to avoid repetition and keep it engaging. After that, I moved on the technical side of the project. I created an FMOD project and set up all the audio events that would be used in Unity. Starting with the music, I imported the audio files into FMOD and built the main event, setting up loops and transitions so the music could adapt to different gameplay phases. Then I worked on the sound design, creating events for footsteps, jumps, and enemy interactions. For the footsteps, I used a multi-instrument in FMOD to randomize the samples and add slight pitch variations, making them feel more natural. For the jumps, I recorded my own voice and modified the pitch to match the small size and style of the character. And for the enemies, I added a sound that plays whenever one is defeated. Inside Unity, I connected everything by creating a dedicated empty game object for the music and assigned the FMOD event through an event emitter. The most interesting challenge was implementing the footsteps. At first, I triggered them directly through animations, but this caused an issue. The footsteps would play even when the character was in the air. To fix this, I kept the animation timing, but added a code-based check in the script of the main character to ensure that character was actually grounded before playing the sound. This allowed me to achieve a much more consistent and realistic result. Then I followed a similar approach for jumps and enemy sounds, handling everything through code for better control. And here's the final result. Thanks for watching, I hope you liked the video and see you in the next project.